Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Lavita Kathuria. In this video, I'm gonna get to Unready. So here I have a lashes, going to remove it. Taking a earbud or Q-tip, little bit dip into a makeup remover and apply it to eyelashes just to soften up. Let's quickly jump into a breaking my makeup down. First thing I use is the Boutique Almond Oil Makeup Cleanser. It is a little greasy. I take it on my palm and just put it on my face. You can see the action. It's breaking down up my makeup like heavy foundation, concealer, contouring, highlighting. It's just without so effortless. The almond oil is so good for your skin, and the biotic is an Ayurvedic recipe. I just loved it. Something like this for makeup lover. Honestly guys, it is a magic and easily remove makeup. I take good amount on my palm and rub on my face gently and get it off my extra makeup particle nicely from my skin. It doesn't leave your face so dry, it just cleans your pores so well. I just massage and making sure everything out from my skin, and then I just wash my face and wipe it. But still it's not done. Some makeup under my eye, in my waterline. So then I take my makeup remover on my Q-tip, get it off my liner, mascara and kajal, whatever that is sitting down under my eyes. As you can see guys, how bright my face is looking. Want to toner, Biotic Bio Cucumber Toner. It has properties of pore tightening with Himalayan water. I'm just taking a little amount and press it on my face that it goes into my pores, that it soaks up the entire toner. Feels so beautiful, I can't express. I really do this on my everyday basis. Move on to serum, again from Biotic. It is ageless Dandelion. All products from Boutique is so amazing and free from chemical. I love about this serum is its consistency. It does not leave your face greasy. Now move on to moisturizer, Boutique Bio Saffron Youth Dew. Take a little bit amount because it's little heavier but result is so good. This product suits for all skin types. Then I move on to under eye cream. It's from Boutique Bio Seaweed. It is a midnight recovery formula. It is revitalizing and anti-fatigue eye gel. It's really good. You did not see any difference at first. You have to keep using it so that you will get the result. I bought these products from Nika. Lip balm to nourish my lips. So this is my naked face in front of you guys. Thank you so much guys for loving me. Don't forget to hit the notification bell before leaving and subscribe me. Bye bye. Take care. Love you.